Beer and race cars. Today we're taking a little road trip with the Corolla and the Raider. We're gonna go see the guys from GrindHard Plumbing Co. If you don't know who they are, you should stick around and find out because they're pretty awesome.
What's up, dude?
Hey, how are you? GrindHard Plumbing Co. is a channel where two guys build some ridiculous things, like this old Triumph that's powered by a supercharged Arctic Cat snowmobile.
Battery's most likely dead. Yeah, battery's dead.
Or this 454 stroke powered Power Wheels Barbie Jeep. So the kids absolutely shredded the gearbox in this old Power Wheel, which, now that I say that, I guess they just take after us. But we were gonna get rid of it, but we decided to hit Ethan up and see if they wanted it. We knew this one was pretty big compared to their other Jeep, and they could probably do something crazy with it. And let's just say that so far we are not disappointed. Alright, so we are going to take a little run on the GrindHard guys rally course here. We're going to get the Rolla out against the BMW Ute. So we'll see how this goes.
We're going under, there's nothing we can do. The final hour before
Rookie!
we let it go to rest. It's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest in this storm.
So it's a rally day. It's a rally day.
Backlash written on me, car popping on a glass bowl. I've been ballin', free my ladies in the counting down. I'm already out, already on the countdown. I'ma set it right. Got the backlash written on me, cold running from the pole, and it's on me. Don't know which way we're going now, I don't wanna know it. Might as well be going down, I don't wanna know it.
We're going up, we're going under, there's nothing we can do. The final hour before we let it go to rest. It's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest in this story. We're going under, and there's nothing we can do. The final hour before we let it go to rest.
Well, so we have something to race against the taco, which, you know, that's got some advantages. So it should be fun.
Is it a good rally?
Oh, it's the best thing I've ever driven. Well, best like actual vehicle thing I've ever driven. Yeah, it's frighteningly tippy though. I came around that corner once and had the inside wheels like 3 feet off the ground.
just all kinds of.
Of course, the truck was still fully level because the corner's so banked, but Josh probably regrets letting me drive it at this point.
It was killer.
That's what it's made
My
for.
regret was I didn't have the camera on when the tire was 3 feet off the ground.
I was hoping that was recorded because that was the rowdiest thing I've ever done in a car.
You're getting the ute going pretty good too.
Dude, that thing's got surprisingly more power than the Corolla. Like, it doesn't have quite as much traction, but it's got the power to just rip through it. Like, it's very torquey. I like it.
Yeah, but this thing just feels indestructible. Like, it soaks up everything.
Yeah. So what's more fun, this or the Jeep?
I don't even know if you can compare.
Fair.
They're both, they're pretty equal, I'd say, just like two very different types of fun. Like this one's like, you feel like you could roll it all the way down the hill and be fine.
Right.
Whereas the Jeep, it's like every time you take a corner, you're like, if I roll, I'll die.
Yeah. Good rally day?
Yes. Yeah, you guys want to come back?
Thanks for having us.
All right, guys.
Bye.
Yeah.